Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know you are going to absolutely love today's 10-minute abs workout. We've got 50 seconds on each move, followed by a 10-second rest or transition. And I want you to make sure you note what exercise is your favorite and leave me a note in the comments once you have completed the workout. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button so you never miss my weekly workouts every single Monday. All right guys, pause the video, do a quick warm up, and let's get ready to go. Our first exercise is head, shoulders, knees, and toes. So set up in your high plank and you're gonna tap your head, your shoulders, your knees, and then your toes. So you just keep going. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Keep those abs braced, keep the hips level as you tap. Good job. You can rest here, and then we're gonna get ourselves ready for a side plank with a crunch. So onto your forearm, lift yourself up into your side plank. If you need to modify, you just drop that bottom knee down. Reach that top arm overhead, pull that top knee in, and stretch it out. Pull it in, stretch it out. Make sure you keep those hips lifted and keep the hips stacked. So even if your bottom knee is down, you can still do this whole movement. That's it, you guys. You have 20 seconds to go. Stay lifted. Good, release, lower it down, and flip it around to do the other side. Get ready for that side plank on your forearm. And here we go. Drawing it in, reaching it long. Remember, you can always pop that bottom knee down, and even if you need to on one side, that's fine. Sometimes we have imbalances or injuries in the body, so make it work for you. Just make sure your shoulder is right over that elbow. Good, keep those hips lifted. Last few reps here. Get them in. And release. All right, let's lie onto our back. We have a slow double leg stretch. Feet up, curl forward. Hands reach to your ankles. Reach your arms and legs out long. Hold it in that hollow hold, pressing your lower back into the mat. Circle those arms around to your ankles. And again, reach it out, hold. And circle it around and in. Reach it out and hold. Circle it around and in. Keep your shoulder blades off the floor the entire time. Now, if your lower back wants to peel off the floor, lift those legs up a little higher. That longer lever makes it more challenging. Good, bring it in and roll your head down. Now, we're gonna go into a reverse curl. So if your legs are in tabletop, you're just going to peel your hips off the floor, rolling those hips to your bottom ribs. Use that little exhale. Now keep this small and in control. You want to be just as in control, lowering your hips down as you are lifting those hips. Use that exhale, lift and lower. If you feel good, you can start going a little higher, but just make sure you can really control the lower down. We can get a lot of reps in these 50 seconds. So it is going to start burning. Good, rest. You have those 10 seconds just to catch your breath. And then we're gonna go into rolling like a ball. So if you hold onto your calves, you're gonna rock and roll yourself forward and back a few times. You're gonna roll up to your sit bones. Holding this position, chin to chest, you roll back to those shoulder blades and up to your sit bones. Roll back to your shoulder blades, up to your sit bones. You can either stay here or roll back and lift it up to your stack scissor, in, and roll yourself up. Roll back, come into a stack scissor, in, and roll it up. So either option will work. Pick one that works for you. Good, in, and release it down. Oh, amazing. All right, our next exercise are bicycles. So if you stretch those legs up, curl your head, neck, and shoulders off the floor, drop one leg down, sweep it in, around and up. In, around and up. Just keep peeling those shoulder blades just off the floor. Grabbing that calf at the top will help you. Now make this movement slow and juicy. If you need to pop your head down, you can, but keep these legs circling around. Make it a nice, smooth, fluid movement as you ride your bicycle. Good job, in and rest. Now our next one is a twist and pulse. So from here, legs back to tabletop, hands come behind the head, and we're going to twist. 4, 3, 2, 1, reach forward, pulse. 2, 3, 4, twist. 4, 3, 2, 1, and pulse. 3, 2, 1, good. 4, 3, 2, 1, and pulse. 3, 2, 1. So it's 4 twists, 4 pulses. Keep it going. And rest. All right, we're almost there. 2 more minutes. Our next exercise is rainbow abs. Feet down, you're gonna curl your head, neck, and shoulders off the floor, circle it around to the right, and then reverse it up and around to the left. Paint that rainbow with your chest. Keep those elbows wide. Lift up and around and down. This one is great to work into those upper abs and those obliques. To see if you can get a little bit higher there each time. Slow it down. It's not about how many reps we can get in. It's about how amazing your form and technique is. Awesome. Now rock and roll yourself up. We have one more exercise to finish, which is your twisting hover. If you're in 4-point kneeling, bring your feet together, knees together. Tuck those toes, hover the knees. Now we're going to twist the knees from one side through center to the other side through center. Feel free to do about 4 to 8 reps, and then just drop those knees down and have a little breather. And then go right back in. So once you've done about 4 to 8, drop it down, reset, press into those palms, and twist again. It's like you're wringing out your waistline. Keep those knees close to the floor. Make sure that back stays nice and long. All right, guys, wherever you are, keep those knees up. Good. And rest. Well done, you guys. Sit back and stretch into your shell. Ripple yourself all the way through and come into a nice release for those abdominals. Good, and sit back. Let's ripple through one more time. And release. Well done, guys. I hope you enjoyed that 10-minute abs workout. Please do let me know what your favorite exercise is in the comments below. And if you were new today, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so you never miss my weekly workouts every single Monday. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And for full-length exclusive workouts, you can head over and follow me on Patreon and help support my channel. Thanks so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye, guys.